Good morning everyone. This is Standard 6 Science. We are reading a chapter 16, that is garbage in and garbage out. In this chapter we have read about the biodegradable and non-biodegradable in the previous classes, and we have read about the dustbin which is used in the putting the garbage, that blue dustbin and green dustbin. Two types of garbage dustbins are there in which we have to put the garbage. Now in this videos we are going to read about the composting. Okay, composting is that we are going to about the disposal of garbage. Okay, disposal of garbage means some of the important methods of the garbage of disposals are some there. Like first one is composting. Inside composting we have to read about the vermi compost. Now next one we have to read about the landfill incineration. Okay, so what is first composting? Compost is a natural fertilizers. Okay, compost is a natural fertilizers. Okay, it contains a nutrient required for the growth of the plant. So compost is used as a manure for growing plants. Okay, the process of converting biodegradable waste materials into compost by the action of microorganisms is called composting. Okay, in the next video we will see about the composting in details, but we will see here first about the vermi compost. Okay, this is the vermi compost. Okay, now in the vermi compost, what is first vermi compost? This is the method of preparing compost with the help of red worms, that is called vermi compost. You can see here the red worms is used there. Okay, you can see this is the red worms which is used. Again I am saying that the methods of preparing compost with the help of red worms is called vermi composting. Okay, the type of earthworm used for composting are called red worms, and red worms are introduced in the waste dump in the large pit with the soil. Okay, you can see here the species of red worms we use: Ischneria foetida red worms. Okay, and night crawlers are there. Okay, all these worms which is used for the vermi composting, and these red worms eat the soil along with the waste material and convert them into the compost. Okay, you can see here the composting. Okay, red worms is preferred because of its high multiplication rate. Okay, so we are using the red worms and thereby convert the organic matter into vermicompost within 45 to 50 days. Since it is a surface feeder, it converts organic materials into the vermicompost from the top. Okay, the steps has been given how to make the vermicompost. Vermicompost is a unit should be cool, moist and shady site. Okay, the places, and in that we should use the cow dungs and chopped dried leaf material are mixed in the proportion of 3:1. Kept for the partial decomposition for 15 to 20 days, and the layer of 15 to 20 centimeter of the chopped dried leaves grasses should be kept as a bedding materials at the bottom of the bed, and the bed of the material partially decomposed material of size 6 into 2 into 2 feet should be made. Okay, now how much compost, how much red worm we should be released? Okay, it should be 1500 to 2000 red worms should be used. This is the area where we do the vermi composting. Okay, here you can see how in this area vermi composts are made, and it is put into the plants. Okay, so these what are the we will see the advantages. Vermicompost is rich in all the essential plant nutrients, and it provides excellent effect on overall plant growth and encourages the growth of new shoot, leaf, and improves the quality and shelf life of produce. Okay, vermicompost is free flowing, easy to apply, handle and store, and does not have bad odor. It improves the soil structure, texture, aeration, give air to the soil, and water holding capacity is increased and prevent the soil erosion. Okay, vermicompost is rich in the beneficial, okay, that's microflora such as fixer, pea stabilizer, cellulose decomposing microflora, etc. In addition to improve soil environment, okay, it neutralizes the soil protection, means neither it make the soil basic or acidic. Okay, it prevents the nutrient losses and increase the use efficiency of the chemical fertilizers. Okay, from all these things the advantage is that. Now we have to read about the decompose of liquid waste. Yes, decomposal of liquid waste, sewage. You have heard about the sewage. Sewage is a liquid waste, okay, waste water from the community containing the solid and the liquid excreta. Okay, it may be of humans, okay, derived from homes, street and yard washing, factories and industries. Okay, and this sewage comes from our homes, factories. It includes the harmful chemicals also and disease causing bacteria also. It also contains solid substances such as human fishes, rubbish and all the other garbages which is found in the liquid states. Okay, most of the sewage flows into the lake, ocean, rivers or the streams, but it is treated at the plant before it goes into the water bodies. If it is not treated, then what will happen? This water will go into the river water and it will pollute the other water bodies, and the aquatic plants and the aquatic animals will be harmed. Okay, so we are using this liquid waste. Okay, so it should be treated at the plant. Untreated sewage looks dirty and smell foul. Even sewage that has been treated can harm the water in many ways. Okay, and in sewage treatment plant, solid waste, harmful germs and foul smells are removed, and the remaining water is called effluent, goes into the waterways. The system of the pipes that carries the sewage from houses and other building is called the sanitary sewage system. Okay, now we have to read about two types. Two types are there, sanitary sewage system are. First one is a septic tank. Okay, septic tank are also used for the disposal of domestic liquid waste. Okay, and this septic tank is found below the ground. You can see here. Below the ground, watertight box, concrete, plastic and fiber glass. Okay, and these tanks are concrete containing, which are buried under the ground at home and buildings. Sewage flows into the septic tank through the pipes which connect the tank into the building. Solid in the sewage sink into the bottom of the tank, and the liquid then flows into the tank into a street drainage. Okay, this is the modern sewer system. You can see here how it is being filtered. Okay, now we are going to see the next one, that is the soak pit. Okay, in our areas, some areas are not served with the sewers. That in the villages you will not find the septic tank, means proper drainage system is not there. Then we will build a soak pit. Okay, soak pit absorb the liquid waste. Okay, soak pit is a method to dispose of the waste water, and it is a pit in the ground. Okay, dig in the ground. We are making this. Okay, with the help of pebbles or bricks pieces, and sewage flows into the soak pit. Okay, all the sewage comes under this, and what happens, sewage flows into soak pit through the pipes or the drain, and water is absorbed in the ground. All the water which is coming from our homes, dirty water, that is being absorbed here only. Okay, you can see here some para on that. It is a circular covered pit. Okay, the effluent is discharged in the pit because of the porosity. Soil absorb the waste water. So thank you everyone.